All right, 16 and 17 say write the polynomial in standard form, then name the polynomial based on its degree and number of terms. So if we're writing it in standard form, that means we need our biggest exponent first. So I noticed that we have negative 5g to the power of 3, so that's going to go first. My next biggest is g squared, so we have plus 9g squared. Notice I take that number out front with it. And then we have a g, so plus 4g. And then my last number is negative 6. So this is your polynomial in standard form. Remember, we name it based on degree and the number of terms. Your degree is your biggest exponent. This one's cubed, so we call it a cubic something to name on degree. To name it by the number of terms, you count how many things there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or more, it is a polynomial. So it's going to be a cubic polynomial. If I were you, I would write a list of names for degree and for the number of terms on your note sheet. For degree, if I get my pen to work, if it's 0, it's a constant. 1 is linear. 2 is quadratic. 3 is cubic. 4 is quartic. And I think we only went up to 5 before. 5 is quintic. I'm going to double check that one to make sure I actually just told you the right thing. All right, I googled, it is quintic. All right, and then if you want to name it by the number of terms, this one's a little easier. If it has 1, it's a monomial. 2 is a binomial. 3 is a trinomial. And anything bigger than 4 is just going to be a polynomial. Again, I would just write these two lists on your note sheet for your final. Going to be the same. We're doing the same thing for the next one. We need to rearrange it. So I notice we have a negative 9g cubed. I'm sorry, my picture is horrible. And then we have a plus 3g squared. We have a plus 2g, and we have a minus 1. This one is actually the last one in terms of naming it. My biggest exponent is 3, so we're going to have a cubic. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, polynomial. Cubic polynomial.